this video I'll be showing you how to program a GT-3TP Baofeng radio with CHIRP. One of the first things you're going to want to do is plug the cable into the radio. You're going to plug it into the speaker and microphone plugs on the side. And once you've done that, you can plug it into the computer. I'm using a USB extension cable to prevent interference from the radio as it's being programmed. Then you can turn it on and set the volume to 100%. Once you've got the radio and cable plugged into the computer, you can then start by programming the radio. To start, we have to go to the control panel to find the port which is plugged into, which is important because you need to tell CHIRP which port it is. So you want to go to devices and printers, and it's at the bottom unspecified, and it says USB to serial COM port, and then this one places COM4, so you want to remember that from the CHIRP. Then you're going to want to go and open CHIRP. Once CHIRP's loaded, head up to the top and click on radio, download from radio. Click the COM port you remember, in this case it's 4 for me, and then click the radio's vendor or manufacturer, which in this case is Baofeng. And then the model we have to select UV5R, even though the radio's model is GT-3TP, because it's the same height bias. So I'm going to click OK. Clicked OK. Some instructions will come up on the screen, checking you've done everything correctly before you press OK again and start cloning the radio. While the radio is being cloned, a light will start flashing on the ground. And once it's finished, it will go solid green, and then you can turn the radio on until you need to start again. Once it's finished cloning, it will bring up a list like this, which shows all the program channels. I think when you first get it, it's blank, or it's got 1 or 2 channels. To add pre-existing channels, you can head to the top, go to radio, and then import from stock config. I'm going to be adding the lower weather satellite channels, which currently are going to be added on channel 1 to, I think it was 10, and that will overwrite the existing channels in there, which is PM. So I'm going to use the buttons at the bottom, the plus and minus buttons, to change it so it will be set to channel 74 and above. That means it won't interfere with any of the other channels, and it will go to a blank space. Then I'm going to, by default, they're at high power. I've just changed 1 to low, but if you want to change multiple, you can use the control and select the ones you want to change, and then right click properties, and then click power at the bottom, in the checkbox, and then in the drop down menu change it to low, which on the radio translates to medium. So now they're all at low power, and then right flat to the radio if you want, and right to the radio. So click upload to radio. It will ask you to put the COM port again. You don't have to worry about those because so now I have to turn the radio back on again, so I'm actually set right. And then it will upload to the radio, and the light on the front will be flashing as it did before, and it will go solid green soon. And this might take a minute or 2. Once it's finished uploading to the radio, you can unplug it, turn the radio off, unplug it, and you should be good to go, able to use it, and everything's good. Once you've unplugged it from the main cable, you can now turn it on again, and you can see, top one here, you've got some of the C channels, it's here, side here, and then you've got the PMR, and down here on the bottom one, you can see the number of weather settings, just open up a new